Hi everyone, this is going to be a video on solar panels. I want to use a Sunima. We want to be able to produce 6 volts. If we look at the solar charger, I've selected the WaveShare Solar Power Manager C. Here we have the individual clips that will grab on each of the cells. The important part is that I slide this hinge I want to introduce the fatter hinge and insert this guy in here. And now we have the overall final product, which actually closes this way. So what we have here is a sandwich. And then what we have is a print-in-place hinge where this leg can actually stand up. This is how we get a solar panel of reasonable size. So on the battery clip on the bottom, I'll jump on the computer and show you guys that now. The purpose of this is to charge 3 batteries. This is kind of what the box looks like. Ignore the colors. Thanks for your attention, and we'll see you in the next one.